Igbo jingles with Oidia. Today we have come to another edition of Igbo Jingles with Oidia, and in today's lesson we are still continuing our new series, which is Ekele Igbo, greetings in Igbo language. So today we are going to do Ekele Ehihie. Ekele Ehihie, greetings in the afternoon. But before we go into Ekele Ehihie, which is very short, we are going to learn what morning, afternoon, and night is called in Igbo language. So the first one is morning. I hope you're seeing it. Morning. Morning in Igbo is ụtụtụ. Ụtụtụ, ụtụtụ, that is morning in Igbo language. Afternoon. Afternoon is ehihie. Ehihie, ehihie, that is afternoon in Igbo language. Then night, it is abali. Abali, or you will say anyasi. So morning is ụtụtụ and afternoon is ehihie. Abali, night is abali or anyasi. Then you will say evening. Evening is uhuruchi. Uhuruchi. So that is it. Morning is ụtụtụ, afternoon is ehihie, night is abali or anyasi, then evening is uhuruchi. So now we are going to learn what we greet in the afternoon. Two greetings that Igbo people greet in the afternoon, which is Ehihie. Ekele Ehihie in Igbo is literally Ndewo. Ndewo, or we say Dalo. Ndewo or Dalo. You can, I know sometimes you can hear people saying Dalo as a thank you, and we can also say Ndewo as thank you. So in the afternoon we say Ndewo or we say Dalo. And this is where we're going to end today's lesson on Igbo Jingles with Oidia. But before we end today's lesson, let us remember that we say that morning is ụtụtụ, afternoon is ehihie, and night is abali or anyasi. And we are also added evening as uhuruchi. Uhuruchi, that is evening. And then we now proceed to learning the greetings in the afternoon, which is Ndewo or Daluno. And this is where we are going to end our lesson on Igbo Jingles with Oidia. And keep practicing and keep practicing. Don't forget to recommend this channel to your loved ones, especially people that are not where Igbo is the spoken language. And see you next time. Jingles with Oidia.